Hey everyone, so how are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Dr. and Forex Trader. We are here for another live session. As you all know, we are trading NAS 100 live and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge. The main theme, main essence of this program of this channel is to provide you the real trading experience. How in reality trading behaves, how you should pursue if you are thinking to pursue it as a career option, so how you should proceed, right? So let's start today's session. Let's do a quick recap. What we did yesterday, quite unlucky. So yesterday NAS 100 was a holiday, so we traded FTSE. This was a trade which we took yesterday. If you see it on the charts, it hit the target, but due to some spreads, our order was not executed on the platform, and at the end we suffered a loss. And what happened after that, you can see how clearly it favored the levels which we made. But things happen like this only, so you have to accept losses. These things are in reality happening in trading, right, which no one shows you, but these things happen. Your targets may hit but your orders are not executed. So we suffered around $136 loss yesterday, you can see here, and now account balance is around -2% drawdown. So let's start today's session. Very good evening, brother. Let's first analyze for the day, then we'll talk. So this is NAS 100 on the screens. Let's make the analysis for it. We'll start with that same thing, top down analysis, 1 day time frame. So what are you seeing here? I am seeing a higher high, higher low, but now a lower high I am seeing, right? So quite a bearish thing which is now available or visible. So on 4 hour, what can you see on 4 hour? It was here till higher highs, but then it formed a lower low. It again started to form. You can see it's a lower low and again a lower high. So maybe it is going for a little downtrend. So quite bearish on 4 hour as well. Next 1 hour time frame, simple lower lows and lower highs, so it's bearish on 1 hour as well. Next 15 minutes, most important for us to make the levels. So we'll mark the levels. I think same levels are again respected. So one is this one, we can use this one, which was earlier also one of our levels. Levels are always almost same. What you can see, this one also, one more we can see, this one. So sufficient for now. We'll mark accordingly if required. Now let's make the analysis. So one simple, a double top from here with a bearish engulfing candle, a down trade. A breakdown, a retest, a down trade. These two are the options. And second, third is if it is a breakout of this level, it's a retest. It is going. So what I'll do is, if you see it, it was a proper breakout. Okay. Let me tell you how. It's a breakout of this level. It's a retest. So now if we get a double bottom here, then I can take an entry. Clear? But on this 5 minutes candle I won't take the entry because I need a chart pattern here. It is not a double bottom right now. So if we get a double bottom I will take this entry, otherwise not. So this is simple analysis for today right now, and we'll proceed as the market behaves. So I have made you very clear, if we get a double bottom here then we can think of an entry, but not this. Yeah, very good evening. So why are you depressed? Can you please tell me? Is it regarding trading or any other thing? What's the reason? Can you please elaborate? So yesterday's trade was quite unlucky. It reached to my target point when I was sleeping, so I didn't saw the charts. I had placed the orders in advance, but if I would have been sitting live, so most probably I would have closed it at the target. But we were completely betrayed by the spreads. Even after a successful 1 is to 2 nice trade with running $220 profit, we ended up booking a loss of $120. But it is what it is. You can't do anything in this. When such things happen, a little bit of sadness kicks in. But when you are a regular trader, you know how things happen, so these things are also present in your past experience. Similar experiences are present in my trading experience a lot of times. When I was correct, everything is correct, analysis is correct, but your broker or spreads or other things betrayed you. stop loss hunting happens. These things happen quite frequently in the market. But if you are in your rules, so you survive the conditions. Sometimes patterns things work very perfectly, and sometimes these don't work. I'm great. How are you doing, my friend? Just see one beautiful pattern working out here. How beautiful! A double top, proper retest, proper entry. A nice one is to 2 3 trade. Hold on, just there's an important call coming. Any questions, any doubts, anything anyone want to ask? You're free to ask. 5 years, my friend, but profitable from just 2 years. What about you? Just around 1 year. Now I have refined things for NAS 100. I have analyzed things a little bit. So I'll try to now increase the strike rate of technicals. From past 40, 50, 60 days, we are observing how it behaves, how it follows price action. So I've got a little bit of idea. So now I'll refine the trades, where to take entries, where to not take entries. Tell the reason why are you shifting, then I'll tell you you're right or wrong. not a right decision if this is the reason. You can shift from options. I'll agree that options are really volatile, but directly shifting to forex from Nifty on just due to volatility is not justified. There are two main reasons which I shifted to forex. First, funded accounts. Second, time. These two are the reasons. I skipped options. Earlier, I used to trade. I was not profitable in them. Technicals were good, but I was not able to manage that anxiety. So, I completely decided I won't trade options. Yeah, Forex is good option. You should, move towards trading funded accounts. It will help you a lot. You are a new viewer, so you don't know, but very regularly tell to my viewers that even one instrument is sufficient for you to make enough money, right? You can make whatever amount of money you want with just one single instrument only. If you decide trading forex, it's good. If you decide trading equity in the Indian markets, if you have your capital, then it's good. If you have capital, you can trade crypto. Anything you can. Focus on one instrument. Don't try to grab all the things. When you get experienced, you can use different things for like intraday swing tradings. That I'll accept. But you can't trade this, that, all the things at the same time. Actually, there's a myth. Funded accounts, if you start initially only, it's a good way to build discipline, right? You will end up blowing your own capital, $100, $200. What's the benefit? In that same $100, you will get two $10,000 accounts. Blow them, maybe by chance after 4 5 challenges if you manage to clear one and you get your account funded. With just 1 to 2% payout, all your money will be back. So it's a good decision to start with funded accounts. It's not like first you have to be experienced trader, then only you will use a funded account. This is my personal opinion. So see, this due to this I was not willing to take the entry without a double bottom. But now, if at this level, let me tell you, if anywhere around this level, this zone, I get an engulfing bullish candle, I will take the entry for this target, right? I'm telling you in advance. That's great. You should trade with the thing which is useful, profitable to you. Everyone has his or her different trading edge. Mine is different, yours is different, others are having different. I'm basically from Haryana but right now living in New Delhi. Now, if next candle is a bullish engulfing candle, I can take an entry. But no, it's a different thing.